Honorable Presidents and Chairs, esteemed delegates and distinguished guests, we, the Secretariat of the IMZ MUN Conference, address you today in the aftermath of our own MUN Conference, where several students of the Ulink College, together with students from across the world, delved deep into the heart of humanity's challenges.
In late October last year, we convened in the Swiss Alps, in the heart of Europe, to address the pressing issues encapsulated by the Geneva Refugee Convention, recognizing the profound impact of migration in an increasingly interconnected world. At the IMZ MUN 2023 conference, we concluded that we must strive for global unity, that we must navigate the complex landscapes of displacement, that we must seek solutions that uphold the principles of compassion and solidarity laid out in the Refugee Convention, but also that we must accept and adapt to that the world is rapidly changing. Now you, as team chairs and delegates, are transitioning your focus to another critical concern. The theme cross-border cooperation in combating drug trafficking beckons you to transcend borders, working hand in hand to dismantle the networks that perpetuates this menace. In a globalized world, the fight against drug trafficking requires collaborative efforts that transcend political boundaries and forge partnerships, grounded in shared values of justice and security.
Yet, as you deliberate on these weighty matters, do not lose sight of the interconnected nature of our global challenges. The threads that weave together the refugee crisis and drug trafficking are intertwined, let it be countering poverty, maintaining border security, or fighting the abuse of those who are the most vulnerable in our societies. It is imperative that we recognize the nexus between these issues and understand that addressing one can have a cascading effect on the others. The topic of this year's ULCMUN conference, Cross-Border Cooperation in Combating Drug Trafficking, is also an opportunity for you to gaze towards the future, towards pathways to prosperity united in eradicating poverty, the topic that will be debated at the IMZ MUN 2024 conference in Switzerland in October, to which we extend you all an invitation. As you this weekend combat drug trafficking, also consider how you can be architects of pathways that lead to prosperity for all, to a world where poverty is but a distant memory. Poverty at its core is a breeding ground for many of the challenges we face, let it be migration, let it be drug trafficking. Eradicating poverty will not only uplift individuals, but create a resilient foundation for global peace and stability.
In this spirit, we call upon each of you, distinguished chairs and delegates, commit yourselves to a holistic approach that combats drug trafficking through cross-border cooperation, but yet keeping in mind that this topic does not stand alone. It is essential that our collective action reshape the world, creating a tapestry of compassion, justice, and prosperity. Use the opportunities you have these days to forge alliances, share insights, and collectively shape the future. Your efforts will not only enrich the discourse, but may also contribute to the outcomes we all should aspire to achieve. Embark on this journey, transcending borders, fostering collaborations united in purpose, united as nations. Thank you.